Police behind us. Just turned on their lights. Hey, bro, make a left. Then take a right. No, we not stopping.
Hell no, we ain't stopping.
Blow through the lights. I gotta make it back home. I'm not going to jail tonight. High speed. 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 I can't go to jail tonight. Police on us. I ain't tripping though. We in some fast. Hey, bro, they hitting they lights. Okay, catch me. We got like 5 extensions. We all got prior convictions. Hey, bro, them right on us. We can't even throw out the glizzies. How many on us? I counted 5. Brody, just focus. Been some more blocks. We gon' get away. Just drive this. Slow down. Turn the corners. Don't crash. Just me and bro winning back swing.
What? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel. On today's video, we are going to be getting rid of this Fast 7 out of Nick's Charger, and we're going to be swapping out the drive shaft as well, because the one on this one, if you remember for the last video, if you watched it, this drive shaft is fucked. The carrier bearing is like doing all of this inside out of the bushing. So as of right now, we're just draining the coolant. I got my handy dandy jack stands in place.
What the fuck?
Everything ready to go. So yeah, I'm gonna let that drain out. I'm gonna drain the oil out. That way we ain't got no fluids in here. And then I'm just waiting for Nick to pull back up, and we're gonna get started on this project. I think we're gonna rip the whole front end off and then drop it with the subframe and then pull it out this way. But we're gonna see as we go. So we'll be right back when Nick gets here. All right, so everybody pretty much is back now. Well, yeah, pretty much I did everything here that we had to disconnect, all the wires, clips, everything else. He about to do the motherfucking fender liners.
Bro, I'm about to crash the fuck out. Wallahi, I'm putting on everything I love, bro. I'm about to crash the fuck out.
I take these wheels off, get these fender liners off, and start getting this slow ass engine out. I work on my own car, I'm almost done. Talking about some the warranty.
Craig is for the new tools.
You know what I'm saying?
$40.
How much you paid?
$40.
$40.
For
$40.
that, so, and that salsa.
Ain't nothing like a crackhead special.
And 4 bars.
I'll give him $3 for a battery. It's funny because after the $3 battery thing, he never came back. It's cool. It's the best thing. We are also going with the full 6.4 setup as far as muffler and exhaust. So these cats gotta go. Fuck.
And on the cold hard ground.
So now I'm gonna be.
You're not getting my oil sticker, you want the other one.
Okay, so that's a 15, I believe. Let's see, 15. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all the transmission bolts from around the bottom and the one that goes this way, that way. Because the way we're gonna drop this engine is we're gonna drop the subframe with the struts and everything. Yeah, the same way we always do everything. Subframe, struts, all that shit, with just the engine. And then we'll replace the engine right on the subframe. Alright, we got those two loose, and where is it at? That one loose, that one is bolts right there. You guys can see it right there. Now I need to take out. It's kind of hard to get in here. Where are you at? Right there. Got to take out that 13 and then the other 15 behind it. And those are going to be the hardest ones up there. See it? Those right there. Well, yeah, I'm gonna take those out, and just because it's so tight under here, I'm gonna just knock them out. All right, we got him over there taking off his fender liners. Hey, yo. This guy. But yeah, we got those two bolts loosen out. We got this one loosen out. The one up there loosen out. And the very top one with the 13 loosen out. So, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my God!
I'm telling you. Shut your bitch ass up!
There should be one more on the other side, the starter bolts, and like 3 more bolts on that side, and this engine should be fully disconnected. Just gotta take off the little shield right there, take off the flywheel bolts, and the engine should be ready to go because everything up top is ready. All right, so good look at this side off, and he got the bumper off. So now, he got this side off too. We're gonna take off the bumper on this side. We're gonna get this whole front end dismantled. We're gonna get everything out the way. We're gonna pull the radiator, the AC condenser, and the fan, and all of that, get all that out the way. The engine is pretty much done. I got a lot of shit I gotta unplug, but I'm unplug it on the floor. Just gotta get the bolts right here and right there. So once he's done here, I'll crawl on the floor there and get all that out. Got the starter out, got all these bolts out, starter bolts out. I think I just need the 2 bolts in the top middle, and this engine should be ready to drop. Now I'm considering if I want to take off the transmission mount and the drive shaft and just pull the whole thing with it, or if I should just pull the engine. Not really sure yet, but we working. Just an update. Just need them 2 bolts, and then should be ready. All right, this is where we at. I got 2 more bolts right here, and then that's out and ready, and then we're gonna drop all this shit. Engine ready to go. You ain't got to take off the intake, but I took it off to get to everything behind it a little easier. I'm getting closer. Alright guys, so we're just waiting now on Nick to get back so we can put the dolly under here. She's about ready now. Disconnected a lot of stuff that we got to use on the 6.4 over there. Still got to take off a couple more pulleys. Almost ready, almost ready.
The next day.
So we got Nick here, you know what I'm saying, day 2. We about to prep this engine up. We got to take, and he just ordered the Z Automotive, the intake runner control valve for this right here, so we can get that flat working, because we want all the power we can get out of this, and it'll help when we tune. So yeah, start taking this harness off. Hey yo, we had to come get some parts. Crackheads, oh, he's tweaking. Didn't know the 6.4 uses different motor mounts. These are the 5.7 motor mounts. And then this is what the 6.4 mounts look like. See the difference? See the differences? So yeah, getting rid of these. And in with those.
You feel me? Almost low. Shit, follow my face.
All right, guys. So this is where we at. I had to stop because your boy a little fucked up, but I'm gonna be fixing this connector with another pigtail, extending this one, and it was one more I had to do. Oh, and the map sensor. Extend the map sensor that way. And then I gotta put in the starter, the belt, and whatever else this engine needs. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. So we got everything buttoned up and ready to go. Everything's plugged in. Time to put it in. Bolt the subframe up, put the struts and everything in between, and should be ready for a startup. Then we just gotta do drive shaft and all the other little shit. Where we at, guys? Time to put the radiator and then the rest of the front end on, the drive shaft and the muffler. Everything else is pretty much installed. 6.4 is in, catch can in, AC lines, everything in.
Catch can.
I said catch can?
Yeah.
Oh.
I told you in.
Imagination.
Imagination.
Oh, my phone's died. All right, so we got to the point where we feel as though we want to try and start it. So Nick gonna prime it real quick. We're gonna put it in run a couple times, let the fuel fuel up. Gotta let the fuel let all the air out and all of that. So should start right up though. Go ahead, you can try. Little bullshit. I forgot to put the ground on, so put the ground on, we should be ready to start. All right, take two. The ground is grounded. Go ahead, Papito. Got you. Let's get his animals some juice. Oof. Go ahead. All right. Jump box incoming. Nope, won't let that fall there. What?